Good evening, my dear students. Welcome to Mind Tree classes. Today we are going to discuss about the acids, bases, and salts for 10th standard. So it is comes under chemistry part. It's very important lesson, dear my students. Many questions comes from this lesson, so you have to focus on this lesson. Okay, last 2 years back we observed maximum 7 to 8 marks comes under this lesson. Before going to this, don't forget subscribing my Mind Tree classes channels. Please subscribe. Okay, let us move acids, bases, and salts. So my dear students, what is the meaning of acids? The acids is a substance that releases hydrogen ions. That is H plus ions. H plus ions, when it is dissolved in the water. So acid is a substance, when it dissolves in the water, it gives what it is? Hydrogen ions. That is the definition of acids. Students, they will ask questions, what is meant by acids, and explain our properties. Acids properties. Let us go for next one is properties of acids. It is sour in taste. Sour means what? Salty. Salt content where what is called as sour in taste. And also it is turns the blue litmus into red color. Litmus paper. This is for litmus paper. The color is blue color. Beginning when you dip it into the acid solution. You dip it in acid solution, no. Then the color will changes to red. So when the color of litmus, blue litmus changes to red, then we can say it is acid. Then third property, it conducts the electricity in aqueous solutions. Then last one is fourth property, they react with the metals to produce H ions, means hydrogen ions. To take example of HCl, okay, and zinc, use zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. Then last one is pH scale. What is meant by pH? P means power and H stands for hydrogen. Power of hydrogen is less than 7. Okay. Then examples. What are the examples comes under these acids? HCl, hydrochloric acids, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, HNO3, nitric acid, CS3, COOH. That is called acetic acid, and etc. See, my dear students, here see HCl, which is common, H is common. H2SO4, H is common. Then HNO3, H is common. See, from these examples, what is common here? Hydrogen. So that's why we have to define acid is what it is. Substance that releases what it is? Hydrogen ions in the water. This is concept of acids. Next class we continue for about bases. And lastly, don't forget subscribe my this channels, Mind Tree classes. But please subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for listening.